question number 66. Let's start. Which among the following is not a benzenoid compound? Student, benzenoid compounds must have at least one benzene ring. So here this is a benzenoid compound, benzenoid, non-benzenoid, benzenoid. In this case, there is no benzene ring. That means option number 3 is the correct answer. Moving to the next question, students, which is question number 67. Let's read it. The order of increasing priority to select principal functional group in IUPAC nomenclature is. Student, this is one of the very important question, and if you don't know the sequence, you won't be able to attempt the questions related to IUPAC nomenclature. So the sequence is given in NCERT. You have to learn the entire sequence. Such questions can also be asked, and direct nomenclature can also be asked. So among the given compounds, so I'm writing the correct order of priority of functional groups. Most priority is given to COOR among the given compounds, followed by COCl, further followed by CONH2, and then we have CN. That means the correct order is represented in option number 2. Moving to next question, which is 68. Let's read it. N-hexane on reaction with Cr2O3 or V2O5 at 773 Kelvin, 10 to 20 atm pressure gives. Student, I'm writing the reaction. So we are given with N-hexane, CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. This is N-hexane. This on reaction with Cr2O3 or V2O5 or MO2O3, any of the given oxide can be taken, and the temperature is 773 Kelvin and the pressure is 10 to 20 atm. So student, in this question, first of all, this alkane undergoes cyclization followed by aromatization. As a result, benzene is formed. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, which is 69. Let's read it. 0.25 gram of an organic compound on heating with conc HNO3 and silver nitrate in Carius tube gave 0.20 gram of AgBr. Then the percentage of bromine in the compound is, we are given with the mass of silver and bromine, that is 108 and 80 U respectively. So student, first of all, the formula to calculate percentage of bromine will be atomic weight of bromine. I'm directly putting the formula upon molecular weight of AgBr multiplied by weight of AgBr upon weight of organic compound multiplied by 100. Let's put the value. Weight of Br will be 80 upon weight of AgBr will be 188. You have to add these two. Then weight of AgBr so formed will be 0.20 multiplied by 100 upon weight of organic compound, which is 0.25. Student, on solving this entire equation, the value will be 34%. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is 70. Let's read it. Consider the following resonating structures. Student, in this question we are given with 3 resonating structures and we have to identify the correct order of their stability. So here we can see that there are 2 charges. Here also there are 2 charges, but here there is no charge on the compound. And here number of covalent bonds are only 2. Here also number of covalent bonds are 2. Here number of covalent bonds are 3. So it is very clear that second structure is most stable. Now student, when we compare in the first structure and the third structure, we can clearly see that here NO2 group, which is electron withdrawing group, is attached to a carbon which is negatively charged, and here NO2 group is attached to a carbon which is positively charged. So already here the carbon is electron deficient and NO2 group is again withdrawing the electron density. So the structure this that is represented as 1 will be more stable than the third structure. That means the correct order is represented in option number 1. Moving to the next question,